Part 1. The Introduction. Forget everything you've been told about the YouTube algorithm. It's not a secret code, and it definitely doesn't hate your channel. In 2026, YouTube's AI has evolved to look at one specific thing: human reaction. If you can master how viewers behave, the system is forced to push your videos. This is your complete 10-minute masterclass to cracking the global feed from absolute zero. Part 2. The critical metrics. The first pillar you need to understand is CTR, or click-through rate. Your title and thumbnail must act as a psychological trigger. If your CTR stays below 4%, your video flatlines. Successful channels maintain 6 to 10% by answering a direct problem instantly. But the real leverage is AVD, average view duration. If viewers leave early, the system flags your content as low quality. For a 10-minute video, your target is a 40 to 50% retention rate. To hold attention without showing your face, maintain a sharp visual pace, switching high-definition clips every 4 seconds alongside precise editing. Part 3. The indexing phase. When a video is uploaded, it enters the indexing and seeding phase. YouTube doesn't blast it to millions of people immediately. Instead, it tests it on a small, hyper-targeted audience using your core metadata and transcript. If this seed audience engages, the distribution expands to browse features and recommendations. If your views suddenly pause, it simply means the system is still calibrating your exact niche. Proper SEO alignment ensures the AI categorizes your content accurately from day one. Part 4. Systematic execution. To achieve consistent growth and viral velocity, apply a clear 3-step system. First, optimize the first 30 seconds. Drop long intros and get straight to the value promise. Second, maximize session time. If your video keeps a user on the platform, your channel's authority rises. End with a direct call to action pointing to a relevant next video. Finally, keep a predictable upload pattern. The system relies on steady data streams to optimize distribution. Focus on building a clean portfolio of 10 highly optimized videos, let the data accumulate, and let the system scale your reach. Part 5. The outro. Cracking the algorithm isn't about luck. It's about engineering a system that works while you sleep. The tools, the data, and the blueprint are now in your hands. Stop analyzing and start executing. If you want to see exactly how to implement the SEO strategies we discussed today to trigger your first wave of impressions, click on the video appearing on your screen right now. Watch it, apply it, and I will see you in the next session.